Why do I still have CDs and DVDs? I am decluttering my space, getting rid of things that I do not love, and only keeping what's necessary. Things I love and have affection for, like this bat, and things that are useful, like this tool. So, yeah, I had a bunch of stuff that I didn't need. I'm getting rid of these kind of boxes, upgrading things that need to be better. But yeah, I'm going to be posting stories of my update that probably keep me accountable for today. My vision board, people, look. This is I before. So that's before. So in order to get to where I needed to go, I got the body that I had and a body that I felt like was attainable, most like similar. This is scissor, by the way. And then there, my body before I got to there. So I still saw myself, my own body, but I liked the more curvy. I saw like abs come in slightly, right? But I still like a little pooch. So anyway, my new bodies are Tiana Taylor and Janet Jackson. They back in, well, I don't know what her body looks like right now, but that's the way love goes video, you know. So I also wanted to focus on mental health and my thinking health. All of this got started taking going to therapy and eating better and getting the body I wanted. And then I trips. So this year, this year did happen. So 2023, this is my vision board. So I did go to Mexico that year, and instead of Jamaica, we went to Haiti. I hope I said that right, but anyway, so I went there, and then the space here, I'm packing it up now, but it was here. So I had this whole setup that was Summer Walker's setup. And then I went on an educational journey. Yeah, so there I didn't have science on this, but there was a lot of science included here. But I learned how to mesh it and have everything working together. Now the Black Girl Fairy things, I was really into that back in 2022. So that was I still don't feel like I've achieved this as yet. I'm not sure. But I want like-minded friends that want to do fun things and dress up and do whatever, like just be ourselves. So, but I have to a point I know who I can go to in that event. So we just haven't had the opportunity yet. So I feel like I've attained everything on there. So I do. My son and I were wanting to build more of a relationship and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, we're doing good. And then this was my YouTube and whatever. This is so embarrassing. Not really, I don't know. But this is just I put like little things on here. And then I check them off as I go. And this one is my YouTube specific board. And see, that was this is my business email. I just printed everything off that I wanted or had. I have this check. I just threw the other one away because I had a cupboard there, and I had a bunch of, because I'm like reading the things that I read to myself. I like, see, look what I just took out the bin. This is so important. I've been looking at this for the past week, and you can clearly see what it is. It's an elephant, and this is how they usually train them. It's so horrible because when they're younger, they are trained to believe that they are well, they're not powerful. They never grow out of that. But that's us. We are powerful, and we're just like the elephant. We can literally just take a step and not be held back anymore. Like we literally are doing it to ourselves. But anyway, I just threw this away. And then this is my YouTube kind of. I'm gonna take this one off now. But that back then it was okay. So I guess this was in 2022. So um that was my I wanted just a regular. That's what I wanted because I was working at the time too. So I would need like passively that from it wasn't that much. So kind of, but it was just like reasonable for me at the time. And then I have that space again and the singing bowl. I packed my little tiny one up. I still haven't gotten to that one yet. But I'm gonna get rid of these vision boards, and this I guess will be encapsulated online now, so it's not as personal anymore. But I've obtained a lot of these, so um yeah. So here's another one, and this was like the aesthetic that I like. It's more bohemian girl and stuff, and then I had like a little fairy girly stuff. This was more business, but the pink chair made it more girly. I had different. The place was blocked out differently for different video ideas. Anyway, so this was the aesthetic I really enjoyed. And there's a blank check I see. So let me fill this out and I can encapsulate this online. What do you think is reasonable? I don't know how. Oh, I don't know. I think I might say do the check privately and I'll post it once it happens.